Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Camilla Ifoma, and if this is your first time stopping by, welcome. So today we're going to be doing a 3-step eyeshadow tutorial. All you actually need for this look is your concealer, of course, like to conceal your eyelid before we proceed with your eyeshadow, and then your eyeshadow palette. So we're going to be using a dark brown eyeshadow palette and a black eyeshadow, then shimmers, of course, and yeah, a little bit of light brown as well. So yeah, that's all you need. So Elf sent me some of their product, and today we're going to be using the bite-sized eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be using one in Total Smoke Show and the other one in Take Your Pink. Okay, so first off, I'm going to use my fluffy eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to be dipping that into the dark brown first. Take note of the placement of the eyeshadow because we're trying to create a halo eye look, and that means I'm going to still pop in another color at the middle. So now I'm using the light pink shade and I'm placing it in the middle because that's where I want it to be. And then I'll go in with my dark eyeshadow, which is like the black or darkest brown, but black preferably. And then I'll pop it on the inner corner and the outer part as well, just like I did in the beginning. Now for my crease, I'm going to be using a light brown eyeshadow palette to just go over it. You can actually use your powder palette, the shade of your skin, to go over it and blend that out, but I just wanted something like a bit warm to go over that, so that's why I used that color. So next up, we're going to be putting our shimmers, and I'm going to be using this Elf, is it glitter glue or shimmer glue? Anyone, it's just for like your glitters and your shimmers. So I'm going to be using that. I'll put a bit of it in the middle where I've got the pink on, and then I'll go in with my shimmers all over. Same thing with my other eyes, and then I'll use a bit to pop the inner corners because I actually like to pop my inner corner. So for my eyeliner, I'm using this one from Elf. So I'm going to be lining my waterline and also my top parts. So basically where my lash would be on, I'm just going to go over it with this pencil. And yeah, I'm going to apply a bit of it towards the end just to smoke it out a bit, nothing too much. So next, I'm going to be using a very precise brush to smoke out my under eyes. So I'm using my black eyeshadow to smoke that out because I want a very black under eye. And yeah, that's it. That's all you actually need to do, and we're done with this look. If you stayed up to this part of this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video. Bye babes.